Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're going to be talking about the RUKKA Melfort jacket. Okay, so a new jacket for 2020 from RUKKA. The Melfort jacket is completely different from anything else you've seen from RUKKA. Normally you're looking at black technical jackets, so all the tech specs. This has a bit more style but still has that technology backing it up. So let's talk about the exterior of the product. First of all, we've got 500 denier cotton cordura material running down here. So when you feel it in the store and you get one in your hand, you'll feel it's considerably softer than your standard nylon that you'd be getting, or cordura that you'd be getting on a standard RUKKA jacket, something like a Calavesi, which is much more of a technical product. This is still as abrasion resistant, just feels a lot softer, feels more like a cotton material, but still gives you that abrasion resistance. Running onto the stitching, you've still got that triple layer stitching, the double over the top, the single hidden underneath. So if you do wear through that top layer of stitching, you've still got that single layer of stitching hidden underneath to keep the jacket together in the event of an accident. So running around the top here, you've got a very supple soft leather material running around the top as opposed to what you normally see with a RUKKA jacket, which would be a neoprene. You've got, for a bit more style, you've got that lovely quality leather running around the top end of the jacket. Velcro closure across the top, running down Velcro closure all the way down the front as well. YKK zip, as you'd expect, your standard technical zip hidden underneath the flap, just to give it that sort of retro look. Just available in this khaki colour, by the way, on this jacket, not available in the black colourway. Running down the front here, two more zips to open here. You've got ventilation points and pockets built in here. So mesh vents on the front here and then pockets behind here as well. This is a drop line of Goretex product, so it's a two-layer Goretex built underneath this top layer. It's drop line from the top to the bottom underneath here, so those ventilation points will vent to the membrane, which will cool you down and in turn remove more moisture inside the jacket. You've got another ventilation point down the side that's going to do the same thing. So you've got mesh material running down the side, so there's your ventilation points on the product. Running down the front, two patch pockets on the bottom with hand warmer pockets as well. So something we get asked for all the time is somewhere when you're walking around, you start your hands and keep your hands warm straight down the front, and then backing that up, you've got the patch pockets on the inside as well, so a double pocket system down the bottom. Running around to the side, you've got leather areas for a bit of extra abrasion resistance and a nice bit of style running on the shoulder and on the elbow area. So that's running all the way down the elbow. You've got that leather area, leather on the top there, a bit more protection giving into the jacket there. Stretch panels all the way down the side, so nice comfortable fit all the way around the back, and they run a double layer of stretch on the top here to give your arms nice stretch across the front when you're leaning onto your bike. Armour wise, of course, you've got D3O armour, shoulders and elbow. It's the RUKKA D3O system, so it's designed specifically for RUKKA. Nice protected product. If you feel those protectors, they cover the whole joint. They don't just sit on top of the shoulder and elbow. You're going to get full protection running on this product. You've got a pocket in the back for a back protector. Check out bikerheadz.co.uk to check out which back protector you need for this. If you've already got a RUKKA jacket, it may fit in there, but you just need to check, see which shape the pocket is and which shape the jacket is. So run down the back, full layer of cordura cotton running down the back and adjusters on the bottom to tighten out around the back area. You've got an embroidered RUKKA logo and again a nice high collar. Running it back to the front of the product here, just to open it up again. Got a YKK zip with a water resistant zip backed up by a storm flap underneath. So there's your Goretex storm flap. Of course, this is all tested by Gore to make sure it's fully waterproof. As you know with Goretex, you're getting that guarantee of waterproofing and guarantee of dryness inside the jacket. Inside, 65 gram thermal liner, fully removable as you'd expect, so that's going to keep you nice and warm. When you want to get a bit cooler, you take that out. You've got wicker material backing that up underneath so you don't get sweaty inside. It's going to remove that moisture, get it out of the jacket. Internal pockets, one on this side and one on that side. That's where you're going to keep your phone or anything you don't want to get wet, always inside this storm flap here. So there's your RUKKA Melfort jacket. Quick word about it, it's machine washable. You're going to be able to wash it with the RUKKA Storm Care Kit, which is available from bikerheadz.co.uk. Check out that kit. 6 years warranty extendable again at Bikerheadz website, so you can extend it from 5 years to 6 years. You're going to get full use out of this product. So this is our base level RUKKA jacket, coming in at the lowest price for one of our Goretex products. So check out Bikerheadz, check out this jacket and get down to your local store and try it on.